Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussion is trapezoidal rule. Here I will present a short C program which approximates the area bounded by the curve y is equal to fx cos h4x. Okay, so the x-axis, the lines x is equal to 0 and x equals to 5. This is the integral of fx from 0 to 5. We will be approximating it using the trapezoidal rule. Photos are included of the C program code and output. Here we subdivide the interval 0, 2 into n equal intervals. In my program, I choose. Okay, here we subdivide the interval 0, 5. Okay, 0, 5 into n intervals. In my program, I choose n equals to 8. 8. So my variable width is 5 by n and gives the width of each interval. And next we consider the trapezoids whose bottom is an x1, x2, where x2 minus x1 is equal to width, and whose top is the line segment from fx1 to fx2. Its area is fx1 plus fx2 into width by 2. In the program, we use a for loop to calculate the sum of the areas of these trapezoids. Next, the program prints area. Note that the indefinite integral has value sine h 4x divided by 4. So the definite integral has the value sine h 20 divided by 4. As sine h 0 is equal to 0. The value of the sine h0 is equal to 0. So this value, so I get sine 20 divided by sine h20 divided by 4. Area. We calculate the error. So calculate the error and print it. Note that FABS is equal to FABS is the absolute value function of type double. Okay, I choose double. So you should know the function because I have already told in my C programming how to write function. So function is very simple. At first you have to write hash include studio.h, and next is hash include math.h because I use math library. And next is the function, the preprocessor is double function double x and void main. And let's start the I have to choose int value, integer value j and double means double real values means x1 x2 with, and because you have already know data revisited. So friends, double value is this x1 x2 width and area value and error, and area is equal to 0 and n equals to 8, width is equal to 5 and width is equal to width by n. So for j equals to 1 to j less than n, and I create a loop, because this loop is very very important for finding out the values of the sine each 20 values. Okay, trapezoidal rule. And error of the fbs is equal to value minus area and printf area and 0.01 f. Yeah, so you see the double f is equal to f double x, and I get this value. Okay, so let me show the output. Okay, so just you will check. Okay, let's see that I get a huge error, because actual value is 6 point something, 6 is the, but I get this very large error. So I need to create more sub interval. Okay, sub interval is my n equals to 8. Now I just change 100. Okay, so let's see the how much value. So now you check the values is approx value will come. Area is equal to 6084766. Okay, so let me create more sub interval. Okay, so you see that error is gradually decreases, because my sub interval is increases. Now I will try to increase my sub interval. Okay, more values I give. Let's see. Okay, you see error is very less, 0 0.2021. Okay, so it is based on it is depending, error is depending on the sub interval. If you choose more sub interval, then your error is more less. So this is the trapezoidal loop. I hope you can understand my work, and thanks for watching.